Hey guys, how y'all doing today? I'm going to be working on a BMW B7 2008 BMW. I'm going to be removing the reverse light lens and replacing them with some new ones. It's kind of hard to get to, so I started pulling it apart, but I'm going to show you the part where the bolts is hard to get to, the clips is hard to get to. So let's get started on that. I already unscrewed this pretty much, and there's some hidden screws right in here. Let's take this off. There's some hidden screws right in here. You pretty much can't see them. If I just go ahead and just loosen this up, you'll see what I'm talking about. There's two of them, and there's another one right here. And take that out. So now we could just remove this. Once that's removed, they have a screw up underneath here. It's a black little clip that goes in there, and there's a Phillips screwdriver, Phillips tip in there, screw in there, and that one. And it's another one over here. And then I started removing these clips. And then after that, there's another screw inside of here to take out. So once we take all these out, then it's ready to just drop out. Here, I'm gonna be taking all these off, and this is snaps. All these things are snaps off. So if you look right here, there's some clips. So there's some clips all the way around here. So we're gonna be popping these loose. All these, there's a couple more. And this just comes out. So here go the clips. 1, 2, 3, 4 clips right here. Let's put this away for now. And then up here, we have some more clips again, similar to these, and they're kind of hidden. So to get those out, I'm using this. I'm gonna take this and just aim under here and try to figure out where exactly they are and just pop them off. This just comes right off. So you have one here, another one here, another clip here, and another clip here at the end. So you just I'm just gonna let this hang, because once I let it hang, I'm gonna start taking off these. I think this is an 8 to take them off. So I'm using my little adapter and just gonna put them on here just to start taking them off. So over here, we have another Torx screw. You gotta take that off, because all this right here gotta come off. So you don't have to really necessarily completely take it off, but you have to pry it up enough to be able to get to this. So I'm gonna loosen this one up, and that'll give me some play. And these are gonna pretty much gonna pop right off right here. So I could just take these out and put them out of the way, but I'm gonna let them pop off. So I'm gonna be using my little tool here, little plastic tools. It's safe. You don't really damage the car. So these is to pop it off and just keep reaching around to get it. Once I get it enough, I could just, actually this is coming off nice right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can push this forward, because this has to clear this end right here to get it through. There you have it. Now you're gonna be doing the same thing to the other side. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.